Recently, I made a new holiday junk journal, one that I hope will last several years. Would you like to see how I made it? I've been amassing a lot of ephemera as well as papers that I had created in my art classes, old holiday cards from years past. I started by sorting them by size as well as the weight of the paper. I use my sewing machine to stitch a lot of details on the pages, and then I sewed together 4 signatures. On the left is my new journal and on the right is my old one. They're very similar in size. This new one is a tiny bit smaller, but it is considerably thicker. It has hand-sewn signatures and bound with this glue binding method that Arne and Carlos share in their book, How to Create an Idea Book. I love the different textures that the stitching details create and the different weights of paper, the pockets, the tuck spots, the little fabric details that are attached to some of these pages. Going to be a lot of fun to work with, and I hope to be able to do so for several years. I think I'm going to keep this in our box of holiday ornaments so that each year when we decorate our tree, I'll be able to pull out the book and start working in it. Some of the washi tapes seem to have lost a bit of their adhesive over the years, so I used my stapler just to secure them along the bottom so that these pockets would still be functional. I really wanted to make it interactive so that it would be fun to look back through each year as well as fun to work in. I didn't want to have so much of a blank book for starting. I really wanted this to be inspiring with each page. Pretty happy with how it turned out. I love the mix of old and new papers. Each one has some sort of a meaning. Many of them are created by me, but quite a few are also from magazines or scrapbook paper, vintage children's books, vintage cookbooks, and wrapping paper. I love this freezer bag, and I just couldn't resist tucking it in there as well. That's my new holiday junk journal. I've actually already started in it, and I'll probably be showing a junk journal with me video very soon. Thanks for watching.